Go. In this video. You're under arrest, Daddy. Get in the time. Get in the car, Sawyer. Get in this car, sir. Now we're gonna go catch your partner. Come back here! Here it comes! Stop, you're going to jail. Ooh, a donut. Hey, come back here!
All out of milk. Hello, is this the Braxton and Ryder store? Yes, I need some more milk. Can you deliver it now?
Oh, you need some milk? Okay. Okay, we'll have it right over.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Ryder, come in. Ryder! 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 What? What? Okay, I'm on it. It's not starting. What's that? Oh yeah! Lunch in, babies! You see that, dudes? Just missed the tree. Where's my scientist mouse? Let's smash this because there's something in here. Oh yeah, let's smash it. Here's the milk, ma'am.
Thank you. What? You damaged my milk! Hey, you come back here! Is this the Braxton and Ryder store?
Thanks for calling Braxton and Ryder Ryder store?
Yes, I need to order some bug spray now. Fast, hurry.
Okay, any bug spray? Okay, I'll be right over. Ryder! Ryder, wake up! What? Okay. Sounds like the real bugs in here.
Hello?
That's a family.
Is this the bug spray?
Yes.
Why is it making noise? Live insects!
Hey honey, I'm going on important business. If you need anything, you can use my credit card.
Ooh, his credit card. Braxton and Ryder store?
Thank you for calling the Braxton and Ryder store.
Yes, I need to order 3 purses, 5 shirts, and 10 pants. Oh, and 3 shoes.
Whoa. Slow down.
All right.
Ryder! And now the river. How do I get the big ones in my clothes truck? Maybe make the big ones small ones like these. Christmas sticks boxes, baby. The revelry.
Hello?
Oh no!
What did you do to my clothes?
I delivered the man.
You need to pick all of that up.
Oh, sorry, I'm not going to do it.